Andy Warhol. This was for LA Iworks, and LA Iworks was a signature campaign that was certainly one of the founding factors in helping launch my career, I must say. And every month, these photographs appeared in his magazine of movie stars, Heidi Fleiss we shot, poets, writers, directors, and they appeared as in an ad for LA Iworks called "Every Face is Like a Work of Art. It Deserves a Great Frame," which was a campaign that Gary Johns, coincidentally, was the art director on this project, and I worked on together. And Andy, when he signed in 1986 with Ford Models, called me up and asked if I thought he would be a prime candidate for one of their ads. And as some of you probably know, this went on to become my most signature photograph. And my style, as you can see, is very simple. I'm not a big props guy. I like minimal backgrounds, clean backgrounds. I like the subject to kind of come front and center. That's the big part. I work with a very tight support team in terms of hair and makeup, styling, studio manager, a chef that cooks all the meals when I'm shooting. I mean, I like doing all of this these days, but when I do, that's kind of the scenario. And I'm always much more about putting the energy and the time into getting the person to come front and center, and not about a bunch of gimmicks.